Today I have something to share that is unusual and not the type of content I typically show on this channel. I like to stick to topics I understand, but today's video is anything but that. On a recent business trip, I noticed an object flying below the aircraft I was on. In this video, we'll take a look at the video that was captured. Keep in mind, when I first saw it, I was not recording. By the time I pulled out the phone and hit the record button, it was further away. We'll zoom in on it a bit, but to be honest, I have no clue what it is, just that it was unusual. I'm John, and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. I want to keep the video footage original aside from zooming in and pointing to the object. I'm not using any AI for any of the video that you're seeing. At the end of this video, I'll show the full unedited version for anyone who's interested in analyzing further. You're welcome to repost it, if so inclined, but I'd appreciate it if you reference the original source. Let's start with what prompted me to record in the first place. I was on the very last row of seats on the right side of the aircraft. The window was dirty, and the sunlight made it difficult to see what I was recording. The flight was American Airlines 5733 on January 7th, 2025, and I was flying from Huntsville to Charlotte. The timestamp of the recording was 3:54 p.m. The object I saw was relatively clear when I first saw it. It was located roughly about here. It appeared to be of a bronze metallic color. It was disc-shaped, with no wings or tail visible, and my best guess is that it was around 20 to 25 feet wide. I pulled up the Flightradar24 data, but it didn't show any other objects in the area. The length of the video I recorded was about 1 minute and 7 seconds, and with a local time of 3:54 p.m. U.S. Central, that would be around 9:53 p.m. UTC time. Looking at the flight data around that time, the aircraft was at an altitude of 10,750 feet, traveling at 255 knots. On the right are details about the aircraft itself. If I zoom in a bit, I would estimate the object to have flown somewhere around Spencer Mountain. At this point, I was trying to locate the object and wasn't sure if I was capturing anything on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra phone. I was using digital zoom on the screen, but then I thought it would be easier to zoom in from my video editor rather than from the phone, so I backed it back out and showed everything in full screen from that point forward. I'll now replay that same segment with a mix of digital zoom from the phone combined with zooming in using my video editor, which happens to be Filmora. Here I've zoomed in about 362%. I'm not seeing any sign of wings or a tail. I'm no expert, but this doesn't appear to be any kind of balloon, and it seems much too large to be any kind of commercial drone. My next thought was to export the stabilized video that we see here, and then provide ChatGPT some details about the altitude and the speed of the airplane, and see if it could identify what this thing is. As the object kept getting further and further away, I noticed that you could see a mountain range in the background, which may help confirm its general location, which might be around Spencer Mountain. The best quality image is of course the one closest to the beginning of the video when the object is closer to the camera. Here it's slowed down to 6 frames per second. If you look closely, you can see what appears to be the light reflecting off the object. I can't say it confirms that it was metallic, but perhaps it has similar properties. In just a few seconds, you'll hear the engines on the plane appear to slow down. When this happens, the object seems to gain in altitude, but I think the object is mostly stationary or moving very slowly, and the plane is simply dropping in altitude, which changes the angle and makes it look like that it's rising higher. I then took the video footage that you just saw, exported a segment to a file, then shared the video file and the characteristics that I saw with ChatGPT and asked it what it thought the object was. It came up with three possibilities: an artificial object, such as an unmanned aerial vehicle, weather balloon, or probe. The next was a natural object, such as ice crystals, or debris, or unusual atmospheric phenomena. Lastly, an unidentified aerial phenomenon, or UAP as it's commonly known today, formerly known as a UFO. Now, keep in mind, a UAP is not implying it's of extraterrestrial origin. It could be some top secret man made craft from a black budget project, or it could be something else. I did ask ChatGPT while we were here to estimate the probability of what it thought it might be. It ranked the likelihood of an artificial object at 50%, which was interesting as it states disc-shaped UAVs are uncommon but exist in experimental or military applications. That, to me, if true, is very interesting. It also stated it could be a weather balloon, but are less controlled than what it saw in the video. Natural objects are the least likely at 15%. I don't necessarily doubt that possibility, but it seems unlikely from the video footage shown. And finally, unidentified aerial phenomenon, or UAPs, ranked at 35%. Now, I can't identify what was shown in this video, but based on the bronze-colored disc that I saw before I began recording, before I actually hit the record button, I lean more towards the UAP hypothesis. Again, we're not talking extraterrestrial, just something unidentified that could very well be military or black budget in nature. I can't rule out extraterrestrial either. What do you think we're looking at? I'm very curious what you have to say in the comments below. After this, I'll run the full unedited video clip so anyone who wants to rip it and do their own analysis will have it available. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you found it interesting. Again, this is not the typical content that I show on this channel, but if I ever see anything like it in the future, I'll try to be a bit quicker on the record button and share it regardless of the flack I'm likely to get for this one. And with that, I look forward to talking with you again very soon.